All right, time for new beginnings. Welcome to the section where we're creating our very first website, and that is the word counter website. In essence, this website, someone puts in some text on the home page, hits the count button, and it's going to tell us how many words were in that piece of text. Pretty straightforward idea there. But the bigger thing is we're going to get introduced to Django. We're going to learn how to get Django on our computers, how to make a new project, what those projects looks like, and then the real basics of when someone hits your home page, how does that request for the home page sort of filter through Django and go to each individual files. It's going to be a nice foundation for us to move forward. I'd also like to mention that in the next lecture, I'm going to offer you the Django cheat sheet. And basically, this is a PDF with a bunch of great little tips in Django. If you ever think, oh, I forgot how to do this, this Django cheat sheet will help you get on track as quickly as possible. So although when you download this, you're not going to know anything that's on it as you move through the class, hopefully this will be a great resource for you. Go ahead and download it just so that you have access to it. So let's get that cheat sheet and then we'll move into Django.